Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 8th grade concept of mean absolute deviation. This is standard 8.11b in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 49 off the 2016 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a number of songs that 5 students downloaded last week, and we're looking for the mean absolute deviation. What in the world does that mean? Well, that's the measure of the each of these numbers, how far away it is from the average, and it lets us know for a data set how variable it is. So a small mean absolute deviation, sometimes just abbreviation MAD. Using that abbreviation there, just uses the first letter of each. If we have a small MAD or a small mean absolute deviation, that means that data set is tightly packed together. If it's a large one, that means it's very spread out. So how do we do that? Well, first, we need to figure out what the mean is. So we're going to take our numbers. So step one, we're going to find our mean. 32, 43, 38, 28, 51. Let's add them together. That's 10, that's 21, 22, and let's see, that's 10, 17, 19, so 192, and now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all right, so I've got 192, I need to divide that by 5 to get our mean, and that's almost going to be 4, let's call that 3, and that's 42, so that's going to be 8. We're going to get into a decimal just a little bit, but not a whole lot. And it's just going to be a 0.4. All right, so there's our mean. So the mean equals 38.4. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to see how far each of these is away from that mean, that 38.4. And I'm going to just use the absolute value. So 32 minus 38.4. We're going to use the absolute value because I want positive values, so 6.4. Then I'm going to do 43 minus 38.4, and that's going to be 4.6. And we'll just do that. Oh, that's really close. 38.4 equals 0.4. And then we're going to do 28 minus 38.4. So that's going to be 10.4. And then 51. Wow, that's pretty far away. 38.4. And that is going to be 12.6, I believe. And so now we have all of these, and so we're going to add them up. And so when we add them up, we are going to get our total here. And let's see, we've got 10, 24, and that's going to be a 10, 12, 14, 3. All right, we're close. We've got the mean. And then secondly, we subtracted everything from the mean. And then now we need to find the mean of the absolute deviation of how far away each of these are. So we're going to take our 34.4, divide that by 5, and we'll have it. So that's going to be almost 7. It'd be nice if it was a 7. It's just going to be 30. And that's going to be 4.4, just 44, and that's going to be 8. It's 40. We need one more 0 right there, and that's going to be 8, another 40. So the mean absolute deviation right there is going to be your 6.88, and our answer is B.